Today I will show you guys how to cook Thai fish cakes or ทอดมันปลา It is a very famous Thai street snack or appetizer that you can find all over Thailand. And make sure you watch until the end because I will also show you the dipping with Thai fish cakes. สวัสดีค่ะ everyone! Monday, new recipe! If you don't know me, I'm Nin. And this channel is all about Thai cooking. I will upload a recipe every Monday. So make sure you subscribe and click the bell. Like that, you will never miss a recipe. Alright, are you ready? Let's cook! The main ingredients for this recipe, of course, fish meat. And today I chose ปลากราย Yes, a bit difficult even in Thai word. It is crown feeder back. Let me tell you something, alright? I'm not cheating. I just got the ready to use one for this recipe. But if you cannot find same as me, you got the full fish meat. Well, you just cut it into medium chunks and then blend it until it's smooth. After that, follow my step. Another important ingredient for this recipe that you cannot miss it is Thai red curry paste. I've already shown you how to make it. So you can go check right here. You can also buy the ready to use one at the store, but trust me, make it by yourself is much better. To mix with the fish meat, you will need sliced kaffir lime leaves, Thai holy basil leaves, sliced yard long bean, an egg, cooking oil, white sugar, and fish sauce. First, I will add some white sugar, then my homemade red curry paste, fish sauce, cooking oil. It helps to make it even tender, and an egg. This also helps to make the fish meat tender as well. It's time to mix everything well. By the way, you can use another fish like cod, catfish, basang, or else. But using a crown feather back fish should give a tender texture. Actually, I might need more time than I thought for this part. Because at first, it's still smooth and quite runny to make a shape. So I will have to mix. The more you pound, toast, or process, the more you make it fit. Once it's finally able to hold its shape like this, I add sliced kaffir lime leaves and sliced yard long bean and mix it all well. I use kaffir lime leaves because it will give a very nice aroma and yard long bean will give a nice little crunchy texture. But I don't recommend to add too much because the liquid in the bean can make the fish paste become runny again. I then add Thai holy basil or กะเพรา It helps a lot to kill the fishy smell and replace it with a nice aromatic smell. For กะเพรา you can add more. There is never too much กะเพรา Ooh. There is some stick on my gloves, but don't worry, I will remove it all. No wasting. If I didn't wear gloves, can you imagine? That would be fun to spend like 20 minutes to remove it from my nails. Can you hear that? That sound means it's bouncy enough. Perfect. Once we finish this part, we are going to set it aside and start to make a dipping for fish cakes. I like to make it with tamarind juice, palm sugar, fish sauce, roasted peanut, cucumber, shallot, and chilies. The dipping will have more layers once you just roughly pound the peanut in a mortar. I don't mind to have their skin in the sauce, so you can remove it or not, or even buy peanuts without skin. And now, I will move it to a small bowl, then set aside. And ready for the spicy part. I use dry chili for the color in the sauce, and fresh chilies for more spicy and aroma fresh smell. And some salt. No need to pound until it's fine, just roughly pounding is okay. To make Thai dipping for Thai fish cakes, we are going to turn on low heat. Then I add some fish sauce and palm sugar and keep stirring until the palm sugar is all dissolved. Tamarind juice goes in and I stir a bit. Then add chilies and stir to mix. I will let it simmer for a few minutes until the sauce becomes thick. Once the sauce can stick on a spoon, it means it's ready. The sauce looks very nice, but we have to let it cool down a little bit before mixing with some cucumber or some shallot later on. And now it's time to cook Thai fish cakes. If your hand is dry before touching the fish paste, it will crazy stick to your hand. Trust me, this is why I make it wet a bit. I take like 1.5 tablespoons and shape it a bit thick. It's not street food, we are cooking at home, so let's make it satisfying, shall we? Many people use a ton of oil, but I will not because it actually doesn't really make a difference. Pan fry and deep fry at the end result is pretty much the same. You will see it soon. That's very fine. Another important point, I use low heat to avoid burning out and having the inside still raw. I will let it fry on both sides. It will only take a few minutes to get perfectly cooked. This is the time that you guys are waiting for, right? The dipping for Thai fish cakes. Yes, I will tell you my secret. Come closer. Time to add the crunch peanuts to a small bowl. The fresh veggies to freshen up the dipping. And pour the spicy and sweet sauce on top of it. Let's give it a stir. I taste a little bit. It's spicy! But this is what I want. I think you really cannot miss these yummy and easy Thai fish cakes. Tell me in the comments if you have ever tried. This is so satisfying to chew. This is why I told you earlier, don't make it too thin. And the taste is full of aroma and crunch. Trust me, the sauce make it even better. Sweetness, sourness, spiciness, saltiness, and also fresh by cucumber and shallot. Wow! If you love Thai street food, especially snack or appetizer, you cannot miss this recipe. Go check it out. You will love it same as me. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย